All right, guys. New day, new week, new freaking month, guys. All right, I have to clean my area up. It's getting a little out of control. Let me show you, man. Y'all see all this junk over here? So I got to clean up, guys. Uh, I definitely don't want manager back here. It's just trash. I got to clean up, throw the boxes away, and mop up. I tend to not care, or I tend to do all this after I'm done with a huge job. Like, while the job is in here being worked on, that's my focus. But let me show y'all something, guys. Let's talk about something real quick. Okay, so y'all remember the one-piece struts I did? Yeah. I have a trash can over here, so I just laid it down there until, but I got one now, so I'm about to load the trash can up. But let me go over something with y'all real quick. Follow me here, guys, because y'all know I'm money hungry, greedy, right? I love money any way I can get it. Listen to me, guys. Y'all remember what was that, Patriot I did? This is, right? It's bad, right? Noisy. Okay. Now, remember I talked about I actually wrote up hub bearings for this car. Could have easily pressed this out and pressed a new one in, but because the advisor have a vested interest in selling parts and labor, he chose to sell the whole thing. But I could have got more money out of the labor amount by repairing this. So I guess what I'm trying to say is they sold it. I got it. I have the old knuckle back here. All right, nothing wrong with the knuckle. Nothing wrong with the steering knuckle at all. It's just the noisy hub bearing. Okay, not even the hub, just the bearing. Okay, easily, guys. I have the tool to set this up, press this out, and press a new one in. Okay, so here's what's going through my mind. I've done this before on PT Cruisers. Cats don't feel like pressing stuff out. They'll replace the whole hub. But the Cruiser, I think you still have to press in a bearing. I'm not sure, but let's stay focused on this. I'm contemplating hanging on to these. I did both sides. Hanging on to these and spend what, $25, $30 for a new OEM bearing. It's my call, so don't y'all get happy and think y'all can get prices at a discount rate. But I can. So contemplating spending $20, $30. Go to the press this out, press in a new bearing, have this pre-ready, set up to sell. I get these jobs all the time at Brothers Motors. Y'all know the second shop I work at from time to time. Okay, how much is this? Let's I think I have, this is the box right here. Let me grab this part number, guys. We finna do some experimenting here. I'm trying to get, okay, here's the part number of a new OEM hub and bearing assembly. Okay. All right, guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a break real quick. When I get back, we're going to the computer. We're going to price this out, see how much this costs. Brand new Mopar, all right? Because this is still a Mopar part. It's just the bearing. Even the bearing is going to be Mopar when I'm done. So, quite frankly, this is going to be a totally reconditioned Mopar hub and bearing assembly when I'm done. All right, let me take a break. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm at the computer right here. I got this part number in here. This is the part number right here. I think 8 is an even number, so this must be the right side. Do y'all see the price of this, guys? $351 suspension. And this is Mopar. So obviously, this costed almost $400. I guarantee, I didn't get to look at the RO. I guarantee you there's $400 each side. If you can get it for $351 brand new Mopar on eBay, it has to be about $400 at a dealership. All right, so yes, they all pretty much all right, for simplicity's sake, let's say $300, brand spanking new. All right, keep in mind what constitutes brand new. You can't wear out a knuckle, right? The knuckle would never wear out. The shield is in perfect condition, so the only thing that's wearable in there is that bearing. Even the hub is okay if the threads are not stripped on the lug nuts. But look at this, guys. All of these are $345. So think about this for a second. I could take a $30 hub bearing. Okay, these are, okay, you can get them a little cheaper. Okay, let's say $250. All right, now think about this for a second. I can take this hub bearing and basically spend $30, like I said, press it in, do my labor. This is all up on me. This is all on me. Of course, I'm not gonna pay myself labor to put it in. And set this to the side and sell this for 200 bucks. A complete hub and bearing assembly, reconditioned to factory OEM specs. And the reason I can call it factory OEM specs because it's a Mopar hub with a Mopar bearing in it. Now I would have to verify, do the right thing and verify that the lugs are good, which they are. Only thing that may turn customers off is this is just rusty. Of course, I can clean that up. Well, I don't know too many customers gonna look at it anyway. They just want their noise to go away. They don't really care how this look. But guys, I could sell this for $200, so that would be like $170 profit. So y'all see where I'm going with this? At extreme cases, I can sell this for $250 and make a $200 profit, which I can easily get away with. I'm telling you the best way to get away with selling parts. Once the customer get a whiff or knowledge of what something costs brand new out of a store, they would easily, quickly jump on yours. Okay, the same thing with prices. I get customers all the time. How much you charge to fix ticket noise in my 3.6? I simply ask, it depends on what you need. What is the dealership charging? $2,000. Man, I probably can go half of that. Do you know half of that is $1,000? But they are so happy to hear somebody gave them an estimate of half to where they jump on it quick, and you can make an extreme profit off that half, off that $1,000. So basically, I tend to get them to call around and get prices. And this is nothing illegal or wrong, guys. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not a crook or, bad guy. Merely when customers find out what something costs somewhere else, all of a sudden what you told them is gold. Oh, really? Okay. I had one customer agree to what I said so quickly I got mad at myself. Damn, man, I should have. We're all in business to make a profit. So I guess my point I'm trying to say is I will hang on to these and make a profit because I know these jobs come around all the time. And I just keep it in the box. Clean it up, keep it in the box. Now, the only problem I'm going to have, guys, is what do you store stuff like this? I ain't going to hang on to nothing like that. That's going in the trash. I'm about to clean up. I just wanted to run that by you guys, how easy it is to create your own semi-economy. Like, I'm hanging on to this. Put it in the box. Like I say, my problem is going to be where do I hide this stuff or store it. In the mean, I'm going to take it to Brothers Motors and set it in his shop. Tell him we have these in stock. Just in case somebody come by and want one, try to get $200 for it. It would be easy to get $200. And I will warranty it. I warranty everything I put on. Okay, there is no risk. I'm putting a Mopar. I know how to press this in to perfection. I have the tool. So there's absolutely no risk in buying this over a brand. Now, some people may want a peace of mind knowing they got a piece of paper that says, yes, if something happens, we'll cover it. But I'm not going anywhere. So it all boils down to the trusted customer base that you have. Okay, so you need to have a relationship with your customers anyway. All right, guys. I got some cleaning up to do, guys. So I'm gonna grab some gloves and proceed to clean up. But I just wanted to run that by you guys. Y'all know I like to chit chat, man. I gotta get all this cleaned up, guys. All right, so let me go to another break. Well, we'll see.